In a previous video, I showed you how we created automated social media posts for Benjamin Franklin. And that was this demo right here. And now in this video, I want to take it up one more level or just a little bit of a notch. And we're going to do multiple quotes by multiple people just to show you how easy it is, basically. So one thing we have over here is the clone button. So I'm going to just clone my prior project. So I'm just going to click that little clone there. And it says copy of Benjamin Franklin. So instead I want to call it Founding Fathers Video Demo. And most of this stuff's going to be the same here. We're going to have to go back to my AI and generate some new quotes now. So let's go do that. So last time I said this, and now I'm going to create a new prompt and say here, give me a list of the most popular 30 quotes from USA founding fathers and put in JSON format. And I can almost guarantee you the format will be a little bit different now. Aha, so see now we have the quote and the author. I didn't even ask it to do that. It's just smart enough to say, hey, if you're going to give me different quotes from different founding fathers, you might want to know who said it. I mean, it just intuits this basically. So we're going to take this now and we're going to go back here to our JSON section. I'm going to do Control A and paste that. Okay. Give me liberty or give me death. That's from Patrick Henry. So now up here, remember we said earlier we want a picture of Benjamin Franklin right here, a portrait of Benjamin Franklin. Well, guess what? We don't want them all to be Benjamin Franklin anymore, right? So we're going to say JSON postnum dot author on the left side, okay? And then we're going to copy that and we're going to use it one more time here. It should have so-and-so's authentic signature. So it can't be Ben Franklin again. We're going to have to say author so-and-so authentic signature. And then this part is still the same. In the center, display a quote, the white letters, the quote reads, and it's going to be whatever the words are here under the quote. So that's really all I need to change. And now I'm going to click Save. And as before, oh, it says here, must be valid JSON. I might have messed up something here. Oh, I didn't get the whole thing. Okay, so sometimes with Claude, if I didn't wait for it to finish, sometimes I copy too soon, and therefore it doesn't get the last, say, 6 or 7 quotes. And therefore the JSON, it has to start and end with that little character there. So I'm going to copy it again. And see, at least our program detected that so that rather than having an error later in our batch agent process, it happens here. And so you get the chance to fix it. So as before, I just need to go away and get some coffee and come back 5 or 10 minutes and we'll see what it created. Okay, our pictures have come back. Actually, notice the last one still says generating here. So as these agents run in the background, they do take a little bit of time. So we have 2 of them available and one of them is in the generation process now. So we're going to pick the first one here. And now instead of Benjamin Franklin, hopefully that's a picture of Patrick Henry. Now, I actually have no idea what Patrick Henry looks like, but I'm going to trust the AI that it did it correctly. Okay. And then the next one, I can just go here, hit the forward or back key. And there we go, Thomas Jefferson. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. And the other one, let's see, I'm gonna have to refresh my page. Yep, it's finished now. So that one is who? John Paul Jones. I have not yet begun to fight. Okay. So that is a slightly more sophisticated example of what you could do with this tool. And remember, what kind of made it all work is referring to these JSON items, right? So we pasted in JSON text, and you got to do your own AI for that. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Just tell it to create you some JSON, and it will automatically put it in some kind of an array structure. And then basically you just use the word postnum in brackets up here to reference which element inside this JSON you want, which number. and then the word quote, which is like here, then that's the name of a field, and then the author is the name of another field. And you might have more fields than that. You might put the date that he said it. You might put the location he was where he said it. Lots of different things, right? So it can expand a lot more than this. And we're building up to show you then another video in the future where I did Hebrew and used all the fancy, I call them diacritical marks or Nikud, which is the dots in the Hebrew that the AI couldn't handle. And it was very disappointing that the AI couldn't handle that. So we had to put in a lot of work on our own side to be able to do some things the AI actually could not do. So that ends this demo on how to generate more sophisticated social media posts using Website Garden, Outstand.so, and your favorite AI tools. I'll see you in the next video.